Good evening and welcome to Sundays with Neelu. Thank you so much for all your story responses, my prayers and best wishes to all of you. Coming to this week's story. This week's story's title is The Loan. So, once upon a time there lived a rich merchant. He lent loans to a lot of people. Whoever came to him, he never refused any loan to them. But they had to enter their name in the register and had to tell him when they're going to repay the loan, whether it is in this lifetime or in the next lifetime. So this is how it continued at the businessman's house. Everyone who came there for a loan had to enter their name and had to tell him when they're going to repay their loan. So some people were very honest. They wanted to return the loan. So they would write, we will repay it in this lifetime. Some people who thought the businessman was a fool in giving away his money like this, would write there, we will repay it in the next lifetime. And this continued for a very long time. And once a thief came there. He stood in the queue and he also wanted a loan. But he saw the businessman's policy and he said, this is so much fun. I can take away all the money in the businessman's safe and go away. Let me see where he kept the money. He seems to be having a lot of money. So he went there and he told the businessman that he needs a loan, and he immediately agreed and said, okay, please enter your name in the register and write when you're going to return the loan. So the thief, but obvious, went and he wrote he's going to repay the loan in his next lifetime. And he saw the clerk, who got the money from the safe, and he observed carefully where the safe was, and he said, tonight I will come and I will break this safe and take the money and go away. So he hid in one of the stables in the rich man's house. So in the backyard. So where he was there and he was observing, there were many cows, buffaloes, and so many things in the sheds there. So he saw two buffaloes talking. Yeah, and this thief was very clever. He understood the language of the animals. So he was listening to these two animals talking. Yeah, buffaloes. So what were they saying to each other? They were saying that one buffalo was saying, do you know something? This rich man, gives a lot of loans to people. He said, yeah, I know it very well. I have been here for quite some time now. So he says, when did you come? He says that I came to this rich man's house in my previous lifetime. He lent me a loan and I wrote there that I'm going to repay it in my next lifetime. So look at me, I didn't pay his loan and I became a buffalo in his shed, and I'm standing here and repaying his loan by giving milk every single day and, standing here all day. So to this, the other buffalo said, oh, no, you are actually repaying the loan this way. Okay, it is better to pay off the loan in this lifetime itself. Yeah, anyone who takes from the businessman. The thief very clearly understood this, and he immediately went and gave away all the money he took from the businessman, and he ran away from that place. He dropped the idea of breaking the safe. So this story is all about repaying anything what we take from anyone, be it in kind or cash or whatever, in this lifetime itself. If not, we will carry all these debts in the next lifetime. So this is just a story. But we all know that, we are not supposed to keep anyone else's property, anyone else's money. And, those who are, definitely born in India know the theory of karma. We all know that, it comes back to us. No matter what, whatever we take from anyone, it is better not to keep anyone else's property with us, or anything which belongs to anyone else with us. So this was the message in the story. While reading this story, I remembered as a child, I don't know who told me this, that I am not supposed to keep anyone's money. This was told by my parents to me. And there was a shop near our house, and where I used to buy biscuits very regularly from there. And there was this uncle who used to sell, obviously, there was a shop, we used to call him uncle. We were like 7, 8 years old. So I would go every day and pick up something. So one day it so happened that I had to give him back some 1 rupee or something. And I went and I said, I don't have change. So that uncle said, shopkeeper said, you give it some other time. It's all right. So I went home. And I went home and I was pestering my mom, give me the money. I want to give it to the shopkeeper. Give me the money. Give me the money. So my mother was like, why do you want to go and immediately give it? I said, I don't know. I don't want to keep his money. I want to give his money. I want to give his money. I went running in the next half an hour and gave away the change which I was supposed to give him. And he started laughing. He said that, why did you repay this money like this to me? I said, I don't like to keep it, uncle, because it's your money. Yeah. So from the time, like, your children, you're taught that, you are not supposed to cheat people. You're not supposed to keep someone else's money or anything that belongs to anyone else. So this is what even I was taught at my home. What your parents taught you or what you feel about this story, please write down in the comment section. I will see you again next Sunday with another new story only on Sundays with Neelu. Till then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay well. Bye.